Okay, we discuss continue, that is chapter number 15, improvement in food resources. So first topic we discuss about the now storage of the grain. Now when we store our food particles, that is food grains, okay, so some factors are responsible for the change the quality of the grains, that is biotic factors and abiotic factors. Okay, our food grains will be, that is quality will be less because of biotic factors and abiotic factors. We take example, that is biotic factor. So first, which are the biotic factors? That is insects, rodent, it means rat, fungi, mites, okay, small insects, bacteria. So all these comes in biotic factors, while abiotic factors like moisture, temperature, okay, so these are the abiotic factors. So for that, here, to prevention and control measures of all before the grains are stored strictly, first we have to clean the grains, okay, and keep it under the sunlight for 1 or 2 days, okay. So what, which are the preventive for the certain type of biotic factors and abiotic factors? We should, that is the first, we should be clean the grain, then after 2 or 3 days we should cap them under the sunlight, okay. So most of the moisture and temperature the maintain, some insect will be killed, okay, fungi, bacteria also killed due to the temperature, that is sunlight, okay. So our grains now will be ready for the storage, and due to these factors, that is the quality of the grain should be maintained, okay, whole year. So these are the process. Now next one, that is animal husbandry. So here this is in animal husbandry, it is the include, that is the various aspect such as feeding, breeding, and control the disease animal, that is cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, okay. So all these that is requirement is includes various types of the aspects like feeding, breeding, and control the disease. Now animal based farmings like include, that is cattle, okay, cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, poultry farm, fish farming, all these come in animal husbandry. So as our, that is population is increasing, okay, day by day in our India. So demand for such type, that is milk, eggs, and meat is also increases day by day. Our the population in India increases, and oppose that such type of the milk, eggs, and meat is also demand. Okay, so for that, livestock production needs to be improved. Okay, for that livestock, which are the livestock? That is cattle, that is cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, okay, poultry farm, fish farming, okay, all these are livestock, and this production needs to be improved, okay. Now next one, that is the cattle farming. That is in cattle farming, that is done two purposes, for the that is for the milk and for the agriculture. Cattle, that is cow, buffalo. That is cattle farming is done for the two purposes, that is the milk, drought, labor for agriculture work. Okay, so as we know that, that is the cow. Cow is there are two purposes, there is milk and for the bullock. Okay, bullock is used for the agriculture work such as stealing, okay, as well as irrigation, as well as carting. Now in Indian cattle, that is different species, that is cows and buffalo. So cow that is Bos indicus, that is scientific name, that is Bos indicus. It is known as the cow. And Bos bubalis, that is buffalo. Now, milk producing females are called the milch animals. Okay, cow, buffalo, these are known as the milch animal. These are the dairy animals. Okay, and for farm labor are called the draught animals. Now here during the lactation period, okay, from birth to young one, okay, cow and buffalo, that is to start the lactation period. Okay, so meaning the period of milk production after the birth of the calf. Okay, so milk production can be increased by increasing the lactation period. Okay, and that is foreign breeds. We take example in a cow, that is Jersey cow. Okay, Jersey, Brown Swiss, these are the cow name. Shankar cow. Okay, so this type of the cows be selected for the long lactation period. Okay, so type of the cow they give the much amount of the milk compared to the our red Sindhi and Sahiwal cow. Okay, our local, these are the local breeds, Desi cow. Okay, that is red Sindhi, Sahiwal. Okay, those these are the our local breeds. So compared to this, Jersey, Shankar as well as brown Swiss cow, they give the much amount of the milk during the lactation period compared to the our local breeds. Okay. Now that is Jersey cow that is crossing breed. Okay, crossing breed that is commonly used for the improving cattle breeds. Okay, because of that is more milk and more resistance power to the decreasing the disease, and resulting that will be more both the characteristics are the shown. So like the question, which method is commonly used for the improving cattle breeds and the why? So crossbreeding method. Crossbreeding method is commonly used for improving cattle breeds. And what why? Because of, as you know, the Jersey cow, okay, or the brown Swiss or the Shankar cow, okay. So such type of the animals, such type of the cows, they give the more milk. While our desi cow, that is local breed cow, okay, more resistance to disease, but milk should be given decrease compared to the Jersey cow. So if we have to cross breeding between the Jersey cow and the desi cow, okay, so resultant obtained, that is the both the characteristics obtained, there will that is the more milk as well as more resistance against the disease. So these are the importance of the cross breeding. Now that is for that is if you should be take that is the cow and buffalo at your home. So for that the requirement that is we have to clean, okay, environment, that is good facility of the shelters. Okay, cow and buffalo are the required because for their health is good if the proper cleanliness their surrounding area, proper shelter there. Okay, so health is good for such type of the animal and give the production of the milk good amount. So animals require the regular brushing. Okay, daily you have to brush their bodies. Okay, and remove the dirt as well as hair. Okay, so hair within 2 or 3 months you remove the hair. Okay, daily and daily you have to be uh, that is remove the dirt with the help of the regular brushing of their body. So so here there will be they should be sheltered under the well ventilated roof shades. We should such type of the animal should be kept in a well ventilated roof shade so it protect from the heat, rain as well as cold. Okay, such type of the animals, that is a cow and buffalo, should be kept in under the well ventilated roof shade. Okay, and these shades are the protect from the rain, heat, as well as cold. Now here, that is food requirements of the dairy animals, that is two type, that is to maintain, that is maintenance requirement. Okay, and support the animal to live the healthy life. Okay, food requirements of the dairy animals, that is two type, that is maintenance requirement. It support the animal to live the healthy life. Okay, and second one, that is milk producing requirement. So in a milk produce requirement, we use such type of the animal, that is roughage fibers. Okay, that is roughage, which is largely fibers. And the second one, that is concentrate, that is which are low in fiber and contains relatively high levels of the proteins and other nutrients. Okay, so this type of the concentrate, they are available in our dairy. Okay, at our village level. Okay, ગુજરાતીમાં દાણ અને ખોર કહેવાય. Okay, so these are the roughage, that is which is largely fibers, as well as concentrate, that is which are low in the fibers and contain relatively high levels of the proteins and other nutrients, other minerals also. Okay, so food is requirement. Okay, so such type of the food good should be requirement of the dairy animals, cow and buffalo. Now cattle, that is cow and buffalo, sometimes suffer from the number of disease. Okay, sometimes cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, okay, such type of cattle, okay, they are suffering from the number of the disease. So for that, the disease, beside causing death, and sometimes the animals will be death, as well reduce the milk production during the lactation period. Okay, so on the body of the animal, sometimes the body of the animals, that is a parasite, will be loose. Okay, that is external parasite and internal parasites are available on their body as well as inside the body. So the external parasite live on the skin. Okay, and mainly causes their skin disease and suck the bloods from their body, while internal parasites like worms. Okay, and such type of the worms affect the stomachs as well as intestine. Okay, as well as the damage the liver if there is a internal parasites. Okay, so it affects the stomach, intestine, as well as damage the liver. So infectious diseases are also caused by the bacteria as well as virus. So for that, regular we have to be vaccination to our farm animals. Okay, regular vaccinations are available from the Amul dairy. Okay, within a one or that is every 6 months. So we should be vaccinations our animals, that is cow and buffalo. Okay, so type of the vaccination, they protect viral and bacterial disease.